What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nash, and as I'm going to be showing you how to get the Office 365 products for free, which is going to include Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and a bunch of other Microsoft products that you can use for free. So I want to show you how to do that. So if you are in college and you have a student email, you should be able to access this for free. And if you're not in college or you do not have a student email, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the computer so I can show you how to do this step by step. All right, so what you want to do is go to office.com. So go ahead and go to that website. So as you can see, I am logged in because I use this all the time. But if you do not have a login, go ahead and create an account. But if you do have an account, just go ahead and log in. It's going to take you to this page. And as you can see on this page, you have a bunch of options here, right? So if you look on the top, you're going to see where it says install Office. So you do not want to do this because this is going to ask you for a product license, which means you do have to purchase it, right? So if I click on this, it says go premium, which means you have to purchase this. Or if you want to click on buy Office, which is what you do not want to do since you're trying to get it for free. So do not click on that. But if you look on the left side here, you're going to see these little icons here. All right, so these are going to be the web-based versions of Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and this is Outlook, I believe. So it's pretty much the same thing as if you were to install Microsoft. The only difference is that you do need internet access to use these, right? So that's the only disadvantage that comes with these. Once you're logged in, you're going to see this. So we're going to go ahead and use one of these. Let's go ahead and open up this Microsoft Excel document. So as soon as you click on the icon, it's going to take you to this page, which is similar to if you had the app installed on your computer. It looks pretty much the same. And you're going to go ahead and click where it says a new workbook. So go ahead and click that. You can type in some numbers. It works the same way as the desktop version would work. So once you are done, let's say you wanted to save your file, you can go to File. You can go ahead and go to Save As. And you can actually download a copy if you do have, let's say, Microsoft Excel on a different computer. So you can download this as a copy, and you are going to be able to open this using any other Microsoft Excel. So I do not have Microsoft Excel installed, so I'm not going to be able to open this, obviously. Let's say you wanted to switch over to Microsoft Word. So you can simply click on these little dots here on the upper left corner, and you can choose any of these. You can click Word, and this is going to switch over to Microsoft Office Word, and now you can actually open a new document. So that is pretty much it when it comes to getting Microsoft Office 365 products for free. It's pretty easy. The only difference is you do need to be connected to the internet, since you can only access these using the Microsoft Office website. Alright, so I'll go ahead and leave the website link in the description below just in case you don't feel like typing it out. But that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to go ahead and hit the subscribe button below if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.